Hi guys, my name is Dimitri Varminides, and today, because of the request, I'm going to show you how to go big. I'm not talking about do small jumps, everybody can do that. I'm talking about shooting to the moon, okay? But in order to do this, you need to know two things. First, you need to choose the perfect equipment. Second, you need to learn those 4 steps that I'm going to show you in a few minutes in the water, okay? Now, at Epic Kites, this is the reason why we have different models. We have the Renegade, this is the Renegade, this is the Infinity, it's for light wind. Then we have the Renegade here model, which is the all-around kite, good for waves, good for jumping, good for freestyle. Then we have the Judge Sea Kite, it's good for wake style, for new school. And of course the Screamer, and this is the kite that you want for jumping. That's why we came up with the name Screamer, because once you jump on it, you're like, ah, you start screaming. So the Screamer is my kite of choice if I want to go big. If I want to do all those big boards up, big handle pass, big things, I use the Screamer, okay? So again, you have also the Surf here, the Surf model, okay, which is for the surf. We have also the Racer, which is for the race, and we have also the Junior Pro 4 and 8, which is for the kids kites. And of course, we have harnesses and different boards, okay? So today, it's blowing 18, 22 miles out there, so I'm going to take the Screamer 12, Screamer 12, Screamer 9 will be good, Screamer 10 will be good too, but I'm not going to go that high. You know, I'm going to pop nicely, but I'm not going to go really high and stay up there, okay? So I want to go with Screamer 12, there it is. So I'll take the Screamer 12, okay? And for boards, I'm going to go with the Droid, which is 135 by 41 centimeters. There it is. Okay, this is the Droid, okay? So these 2 kites will be perfect. But again, you need to learn those 4 steps that I'm going to show you. Now, if the wind picks up, okay, I can hold the 12 to maybe 27 miles per hour, but I'm going to have to change boards to a smaller one, which is the Spartan. Right here. There's a Spartan, okay? But right now, it's blowing 22. I can manage with the Droid. So I'm going to take the Droid, okay, and the Screamer 12, and let's go in the water, and I'll show you those 4 steps. Okay guys, I'm ready to get out, and I'm going to show you these 4 steps. Now, you can do this as a regular or as goofy stance, okay? I'm going to show it to you as a regular, and regular stance is left foot forward, right hand on the back, okay? So that's going to be your backhand. This is where you pull for step 1, okay? You can do this same thing as a goofy, but then your backhand is going to be your left, and your front leg is going to be your right, okay, foot. Okay, now as a regular, what you want to do is you want to maintain a good speed. You don't want to go too fast. Keep your kite around 10 o'clock, and then once you're ready, step 1, pull it. Pull your backhand, step 1. Pull your backhand. Step 2, edge upwind really fast. Step 3, push off. And step 4, once you're in the air, pull your kite with your front hand so you can redirect the kite in front of you so you can land softly, okay? So again, it's timing. It's step 1, 1, step 2, 2, step 3, jump. Step 4, redirect the kite by pulling your front hand, okay? Again, step 1 and 2 are sometimes very crucial. It might be 1, 2, 3, okay? So 1, 2, and 3 are very crucial. What you want to do really fast is 2 and 3. So as soon as you edge upwind, immediately you want to push up at the same time, so, okay? So you have to understand this point. Anyway, let me get in the water so you can understand better how this works in the water. Okay, we're ready to go, but before this, I want to give you an idea what I want you to be able to accomplish by the end of this video. So by the end of this video, hopefully you learn these 4 steps that are very crucial in how to jump big. Okay, so just follow these 4 steps and you'll be good to go. Okay, so your kite is positioned at 10 o'clock. You are regular, which means your left foot is forward. So you want to get on a decent speed, and then once you're ready to initiate step 1, you want to pull immediately your backhand and go upwind for step 2 and push off. Once you're up in the air, right there, start pulling your front hand, which is your left. So you can bring the kite back on the other side so you can land softly, downwind, and as soon as you land and everything under control, edge immediately upwind. So once again, don't forget step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right now we're going to do step 1, which is pull very hard the backhand and immediately go upwind for step 2. And then right there, once you go upwind, step 3, push off the board, okay? And then for step 4, you're going to go up, and right there, start doing step 4, which is pull your front hand so you can redirect the kite and land softly downwind. Again, step 1, pull your backhand and immediately edge upwind for step 2, right there. And then there, step 3, push off. And then once you go up in the air, you're going to initiate step
4, which is pulling your front hand so you can bring the kite back down and land downwind softly. Once again, make sure your kite is parked at 10 o'clock. Then you're going to step 1 by pulling your backhand, and step 2, upwind, and step 3, immediately push off, okay? And then step 4, bring your kite back. So step 1, pull your backhand, and immediately go upwind, and then push off. And then you're going to be up in the air, and then start pulling your front hand so you can land nicely and softly. And then immediately edge upwind.
Okay, you learned step 1, 2, 3, and 4, correct?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good luck. Today, it's his 12th time kiting. Let's see it. Okay, our guinea pig is coming. That's his 12th time kiting today. Okay, so you want to keep the kite at pretty much 10 o'clock, 11. And then, when you're ready, make sure you pull it. Now pull backhand. Go upwind. Go upwind. Okay, you forgot step 2. So it's very crucial. 1, 2, and 3, they're pretty much all the same together. So when you pull your backhand with this, put your backhand on it. Okay, so when you pull your backhand, this immediately you have to go upwind at the same time. So it's the same thing. You pull, you go upwind immediately, and then you push off.
So when I pull it, then I need to turn
Immediately upwind. Immediately. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so immediately. What you did is you did 1 and you waited. Of course, the kite went to 2 o'clock and you were still going straight. Okay, this is our guinea pig. As you can see, he's an office guy. He doesn't kite much. This is his 12th time kiting going out. So keep the kite at 10 o'clock. When you're ready, immediately ready, pull your backhand, pull it, and upwind, up. He waited too long. See, he waited too long. He went downwind. That's not the right thing. He did jump, but then everything goes to hell.
So once again, pull your backhand, edge upwind, push off, and then right there when you're at the top of the peak, pull your front hand so you can redirect your kite so you can land softly in the water.
As you can see, we switched boards because the wind has increased, but we kept the Screamer 12 up in the air. So now we can edge better to pop and jump high.
This is another clip, but this time it's blowing really hard, 26 to 34. We're using the Screamer 7 with a small board, the Spartan 129 by 39. Same thing, but again, this time make sure you know your distance between you and the beach because of onshore wind. So right there, start pulling your front hand, which is step 4, so you can land softly.
Once again, this is my 12-year-old son, Cameron Martinez, showing you those 4 steps. Edge upwind, pulling, and right now at the peak, redirect the kite by pulling your front hand. And make sure to land downwind, and then upwind immediately.
Once again, do not underestimate the power of the Screamer because the Screamers can get you into big trouble if you don't calculate the distance or when you're going to jump and land. Then once you learn how to jump, you'll be able to do all these tricks you've been dreaming of. But you need to learn how to jump first.